Hey friends, welcome back to another Sprinter van build video. Here is our 2012 170 base Sprinter van by Mercedes. And basically we've done what we are calling a budget build. And as a result, we are doing things to keep the budget super low, like installing these puck lights underneath our counter space so we can get some extra light coming in down from the bottom of our cabinets. So again, this is when we don't have our main cabin lights on. We just want maybe some additional reading lights or something to shine without using up a lot of battery. Let's check these out. Okay, so these are wireless LED puck lights. They're battery operated. We'll put some purchase links in the description box below where you can get them on places like Amazon. This is an amazingly easy, simple solution to those of you wanting to install these kind of under-the-counter puck lights. So as you can see, they're battery operated, but they have these really bright LED bulbs. So they use a lot less energy than something that's battery wired to your system. They actually install using this little 3M tape, so you can just stick them anywhere in your Sprinter van that needs some extra lighting. We also have this little remote control that has a little battery operation. Here you can see this is where you install the batteries. Again, everything is super easy, super cheap. This isn't super high quality, but we were really surprised by the light. Okay, so back in the van, basically what we want to do is we want to choose a spot on the bottom of our upper cabinets here, and we're going to basically just peel the tape off, and we're going to be mounting these just right on top like that. Now, as you can see, they do stick down quite a bit from normal kind of recessed lighting, but again, super cheap option, and this is really quite bright. We've already tested out in our dark closet, and the results have been fantastic. So definitely want to give these a try in the van and see how they look. So again, we're going to pick a spot, probably somewhere right over the counter. Here would be good, so somewhere right in here. And then we actually have another pack of these, so we'll probably go ahead and do a couple all the way down the line. So we have 4 that kind of line the base of the cabinets here. So I'm just going to remove the back of this tape stuff, just like that. And then again, all these do is basically stick right on the bottom of the counters, just like that. So I'm just going to push on those. Be careful not to obviously crack the bottom of the LED there. But once you push those on, that is on there pretty darn solid. Okay, so we now have the pucks mounted here over one of our benches where we can do some reading in the evening if needed, and then all the way back on the right side of the bed under the counter. That would give us a little bit of reading light if we're on the bed as well. So 3 puck lights for now. Again, as you can see, the further I get back, the more these things kind of disappear. Again, especially because the outer metal edge or the white edge is right there in back of it. So they really aren't that noticeable, again, as mounted. So the last thing we now need to do is find a good spot for our remote. What I'll probably do for now is actually just mount this right here. So we have the push button option, and then obviously we can undo it from the cradle and bring it back in the other side of the van if needed to control things from that side. But as you can see, as I turn them on, I'll use the on option right there. You can see that all the lights do come on, and then I can hit the minus button. So one of the other cool things is these 3 are from separate packs. These 2 came in one, and that one's from a different pack. But again, check it out. They all work off of a single remote. So you can buy multiple packs of this. So again, that's pretty cool. One of the options here is to actually hit that 30-minute button. And again, those will automatically turn off in 30 minutes. This is our brightness setting. As you can see, we can control some of the brightness there by moving it up and down. Go like that. I can hit it brighter, and we can do it lower like that. And then again, the off button. So again, 4 buttons for us to mess with. And again, because these are LEDs, these should hold battery life pretty well with those AAAs. Again, we'll have to see how long they last with us using them, just a few minutes in the evenings every night. Okay, so lastly, we need to check out and see what this looks like at night. And you know what? This side of the van is pretty light. I mean, looking over here, we obviously have some dark space,
But that is going to be perfect just for the last little bits of light that we want to use when we just want to save on our little external battery that we use for the van. So I'm actually very, very pleased with these. Big thumbs up. We'll give them a good solid 6-month review here in a little bit. So subscribe and stay tuned for the channel for that specific video. If you're interested in these specific puck lights, I'll put some links in the description box below where you can pick up ones like these on Amazon. And hey friends, if this has helped at all, hit that thumbs up button for us. It definitely helps us in making good videos for you all. All right, take care, and we will see you again on the next one.